Please like and subscribe our channel of IUS Schools Pokhara Campus on YouTube. You can also find us on Facebook with same title. So don't forget to press the bell icon to ensure timely notifications of our updates.
Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I am Umari Namula from grade 5. Today I am making windmill and also share to you how windmill is used to pump water. Basically, windmill is a device that works with the energy of blowing wind. It's used for run water pumps and also for grinding of grains. So let's see how windmill is used to pump water. Before come on the main important part which I required to make windmill is 6 disposable glass, 2 square cards, 1 tape, 1 scissor, 1 piece of thread and 1 pencil. Now I am using 1 square card to make circular wheels and I also drew blades, so let's cut it here and also bind glasses. Here our wheel pole has done. Now I am doing hole at the center of its wheel to attach with shaft by crossing the pole. Now you can see here this glass which corners I have knotted with thread. Now I will attach with shaft. Now it is ready to do work. Because when the wind strikes, the kinetic energy of the wind rotates the blades continuously, which are attaching to the crank. The result of up and down movement of piston rod left underground the water, and this the actual procedure to lift up water by the windmill. Thank you.